Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to show you how I make my chicken. I started watching my weight, taking care of the things that I eat, and I've been making this chicken for a very long time now, and I really enjoy it. So I just want to show you. I will not be talking much. I'm just going to be showing you how I stock the chicken and yes, how the ingredients is being mixed. So this is fresh pepper, and to get the first ingredients mixed, I will show you everything that I'll be using. This is a special ingredient from Nigeria. It is called pepper soup ingredients. Yes, a friend of mine actually brought it from Nigeria for me, and I love it. When I want to make chicken, I want to spice up something, it tastes very nice and it smells very good. So I take 1 spoon from here, and this is salt. You have to take your salt to taste. So many people like salt. Some people like too many salt, and some people don't. You just have to, with the salt, you have to work out what is good for you, what tastes good for you. And I have a cube of Maggi star. I'm just going to open it and put it. It is called concussion. Put it in the plate. This is curry powder. A little bit of curry. This is nutmeg. This is nutmeg. A little. This is black pepper. Little. The black pepper is not really hot, but I love the aroma. And this is dry ginger. I love ginger. And this is a kind of spice that I bought. It's pepper and it's pepper, oregano, rosemary, a lot of spices mixed together, and it's very good when you want to boil meat, when you want to roast meat. Believe me, it's very nice. You must not find this. I found this in Revel here in Germany, but if you don't have this where you live, you can always check something. You can always find spices, so you don't really have to use a particular spice. You just have to find what is inside your supermarket, and you can use that. And that is it. This is what I have here. This is lime seed oil, cold press. This is not groundnut oil. This is not olive oil. This is not sunflower oil. This is a very special oil, and it's very good if you want to roast things, because when you put it inside the oven, it doesn't burn. Yes, so that is why I like using this oil. So you use the oil to mix your spices, and there you have it. That is abo. This is abo. Yes, and that is it. Here I have onion, fresh onion, I have fresh ginger, and I have fresh garlic. I'm just going to add it here inside the mixture, and I'll mix a little. This plate is actually small, but it's okay, it's enough. Now I'm going to taste. To see me. Yes, I would like to add more salt to taste because I'm making a whole chicken and I want to make sure it has enough salt in it. And this is what I have. And now is the most interesting part of it. I'm going to be stocking the chicken. Yeah. Here is my chicken. Yo. And this is washed properly, and I left it to defrost. I bought it since yesterday and I left it to defrost properly so that I can really work with it. Chicken is open and properly washed. Everything inside is off, and yeah. This, I like it. I don't cut it off. A lot of people don't like it, but hey, that is the best part of chicken, man. So, guys, the next thing is to put on a hand glove. I don't like to stock my chicken without hand glove because I have a lot of pepper here, and yeah. And these spices, they smell it's very difficult to wash out from your fingers, so it's better to wear a hand glove. My hand was wet, that is why it's very difficult to go in. Yeah. And the second one, this is my favorite. Yes. So we start by stocking this into the chicken. You know, put on the body and then stock. Stuck it in. Stuck it in. Stuck it in. Stuck it in and in. In and in and in. Yes, guys, this is very, very delicious. Believe me, if you have time to try it. And this is a very nice dinner or lunch for a big family because this is a whole chicken. But I live alone and I eat this for 2 or 3 days. I love to cook on Sundays. I love to have something special on Sunday. I may not eat this today, but I want to have something in the fridge. As soon as I come back from school or from work, I want to have something very, 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 very ready to eat. Because I don't want to come back from work or school and directly in the kitchen cooking, making something. No, I don't like it. So I like to have especially meat, fried chicken, roasted, or toast, however. Make sure you stock it in very well. And apart from that, I love to have vegetable also stuck in. This is cauliflower. So I take my cauliflower, I stuck it in and in. And in. Vegetables or the salad, whatever you like, stuck it in. This is a Sicilian, stuck it in. Fresh onion, stuck it in. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Hey, the chicken is pregnant. Oh, the chicken is pregnant. Yes. Yes. Yes, guys, that is it. And now, when this is cooked, honestly, ooh, chop life. The last thing I put is something a little bit carbohydrate, and this is sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes.